Is it worth risking my life for whatever I had on me? Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will tell you about the time I got robbed. Let's go.
Go get him. Go get him.
This story happened some time ago, back when I was in high school, so it's been a pretty long time. Nonetheless, it came back to my mind the other day and I decided to share the story with you. I was going to have a trip with two of my friends and we were talking, I don't even remember what we're talking about, but we were just there talking. And at some point in time, I got ahead of my friends. I don't know why. I guess I was just walking faster. Anyways, I was in front of them and then I observed that there were two gentlemen walking towards me. Anyways, I didn't take note of the situation. It didn't bother me. It's normal to have people walking on the road and to have people walking by you, walking towards you, etc. So when the gentlemen, should I even call them gentlemen? When the two guys came in front of me, it was normal until one of them said stop. And I said, what? And he said, stop. Give me what you have. Now, honestly, I was, shocked because I've never been robbed before. That was my first time being robbed. And in my mind, I said, what do I do? Do I retaliate? Do I defend myself? Do I try to prove my manhood, my manliness? Do I try to prove my masculinity? But I tried to observe my environment, and what I noticed was that there were two guys, and I was one person. I was in high school, and I think I was about 15 years old, 16, I think. And there were two guys, clearly adults. They looked bigger than me, reasonably bigger, not extremely bigger, but they were just older than me. It was obvious. There were two of them. Could I win in this situation? I remember that I had my two friends with me, walking with me, but they were nowhere in my periphery. So I think they could have seen what was happening. I don't know where they were or what happened. Anyways, I also realized that one of the guys had his hand like this. And honestly, I'm not sure what he had under his shirt. It could have been nothing. It could have been a bluff to persuade me to listen or to give them what I had. However, in that moment, I thought it could be fake. It could be a knife. It could be a gun. And is it worth risking my life for whatever I had on me? I said no, because really and truly, I only had my card. It's my transportation card. It's a card where you used to take the bus. I had 50 Jamaican dollars on me, which isn't a lot. So I had nothing to lose. So I said, okay, fine. And I gave them what I had and then they left and I walked away. Pause. It's interesting because there are some persons who, after having been robbed, the attackers or the robbers still attack them. Or while being robbed, they get seriously injured or they lose their lives. And to be honest, I'm thankful that I didn't lose my life, nor did I get injured. That's really good on my part. However, after having been robbed, I looked around, I didn't see my friends, and I continued walking. And then my friends later joined because they were on the other side of the road. And they were like, yo, what happened? And I said, I got robbed. So yeah, that's it. What is interesting to say here is that prior to this incident, not the same day, of course, my friends previously said, hey, I have your back, I'm here for you. If anything difficult happens, we're here for you. If someone maybe tries to rob you, or if there's a difficult situation, we're here to back you up. It's 3 against 1, it's 2 against 1, it's whatever. They just said words of consolation, words of encouragement, words to say, hey, we're your friends, we have your back, we're here to support you. And it's funny because I recall having a class with my students where we watched a short film here. And in the film, one of the guys said, you never know how you will react when you're under pressure.
Why is he snitching?
I don't blame them. You never know how someone will react until they're under pressure.
And so that is why I don't blame my friends back then, because here I could say anything. I could say, if I see someone attacking you, I will defend you. But the truth of the matter is that when you're in the situation, your brain thinks and processes things differently. So you might not act as though you would have ideally liked to act, which is why I say, don't say some things unless you've been in this situation before. And even if you've been in the situation, there's not a guarantee that you will act the same way. So yeah, that was it. That was the time I got robbed. Nothing exciting. So yeah, have you ever been robbed before? It's not a thing to be happy about. You can share the story with me in the comments down below. Also, if you like my channel and what I do in general, please give this video a thumbs up. subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Why'd you leave me then? Because I was scared, bruv. You really be getting knocked out in front of everyone. You're embarrassing.